Decoding English. Uncover meaning with synonym clues. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a powerful strategy to boost your listening comprehension skills. We'll focus on using synonym clues in context to predict content. If you've ever found yourself struggling to understand a sentence in English, this lesson is for you. Firstly, let's talk about what context clues are. Context clues are hints or information that a writer or speaker gives in a sentence or paragraph that help the listener or reader deduce the meaning of unfamiliar words or grasp the broader sense of the content. Synonym clues are a type of context clues where the speaker or writer uses a word or phrase that means the same, or nearly the same, as the unfamiliar word. The synonym can be a great hint to uncover the unknown word's meaning or anticipate the content's direction. Now that we understand what synonym clues are, let's learn how to identify them. When listening or reading, look for words or phrases that are similar in meaning to each other. They could be separated by a comma, connected with a conjunction like or could even be in the next sentence. For example, consider this sentence: the summit was the pinnacle of their achievements. If you don't know the meaning of pinnacle, you can guess it's something similar to summit, since summit and pinnacle are used in the same context. Here, summit is the synonym clue for pinnacle. Great, now it's time for some practice. Listen to the following sentence. She was elated, absolutely overjoyed at the news of her promotion. If elated is a new word for you, you can predict its meaning using overjoyed as a synonym clue. Let's try one more. The flowers are beautiful, truly gorgeous. Here, gorgeous is a synonym clue for beautiful. Even if you didn't know the word gorgeous, you could guess its meaning based on the context. And that wraps up our lesson on using synonym clues for improving your listening comprehension. Remember, context is key in language comprehension. Keep practicing these strategies, and soon you'll find yourself understanding English content more easily. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next lesson.